Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1,104 in a row. Here we are on Cash App. This is the app that we use. Super simple for anybody to get started, buy, sell, trade Bitcoin, everything you need to do. If you aren't familiar with this app, definitely check out the link down in the description. You can get $5 for free. There's also hundreds of tutorials and experiment videos on my channel. Okay, so current Bitcoin price, $43,590, down about 4% today. We did reach a high of over 45,000 here. Looks like yesterday around 10 a.m. So that's nice to see. Up about 8% on the week, about dead even on the month, and down about 8% over the past year, but mostly going sideways there if you look at the chart. My current balance is $4,059, so we're back over 4K. If we scroll down here, we can see the app has updated a little bit. You can still view your Bitcoin address and do everything you need to there, but they've added the Lightning Network, which basically means you can just send Bitcoin for free. It's another layer on top of the Bitcoin network, something that's growing pretty rapidly and will become pretty useful in the future, I think. Let's see if there's any notable news here. Nothing too crazy. The biggest news lately was the TikTok girl that made like music videos that stole like $4 billion of Bitcoin back a few years ago, and they just found her. So you can search that story if you're interested. It's pretty crazy and pretty funny, to be honest. Bitcoin owned 0.09316,203. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy. Tap $1, tap next. It's gonna scan my face. It's gonna show us our order details and tap confirm. We still have that 3% fee, and I'm wondering now that they have the Lightning Network, I feel like they should be able to like decrease that fee, but we'll have to wait and see what happens. You already know how I feel about it. It's not that big of a deal. That moves our Bitcoin owned 2.09318,426. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $4,067 divided by 1,104 days equals a 3.68x on my investment. What that means for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, now I have $3.68. Let's also go ahead and do this. $4,067 minus 1,104. So I've made $2,963 on this experiment. That's how much I'm up right now. I might go ahead and test a different video title today based on this number, but we'll see there. I've also mentioned in previous videos that I could see us coming down further with this dip. I honestly don't know the more I look at it. If you look online, there's lots of people that are positive right now that we're going to the moon. There's some people that are bearish that think we're going to come down further. I think we might just go sideways, but I think we're in a little bit of a new era. Like, just so many people coming into this space, so much big money wants into this space. A little bit of like a gold rush and land grab stage. So I don't know. I can try all I want to look at the charts and predict what will happen, but the best strategy is just dollar cost average. Just keep on buying if you believe in crypto. That's really all there is to say. That's all that I can do. I'm a little bit scared to sell my crypto at this stage, so kind of want to hold on to it and just keep buying on the dips and keep dollar cost averaging. Other news real quick. Bought first edition Shadowless Charizard. It's out for delivery. Looks like everybody wants to see it open live. Come follow me on Instagram, 100 Charizards. I'll probably go live later today. Open this thing up, see if we got scammed, see if they even shipped it in a top loader, but should be a quick, fun live if you want to check that out. Still having fun with NFTs. Managed to scoop another Synchronaut last night. That would be this guy right here. Pretty hyped on that. So that'll do it for today's update. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.